Hello student, good day to all of you. Today we are going to study economic subject chapter number 3A, demand analysis. In the last lecture we seen what are the assumptions, exceptions to the law of demand. In this lecture we are going to study variations and changes in demand. So there are number of factors which affects the demand for a particular commodity like price, income, population, again expectations about future changes in the prices, etc. But there is a factors which affect the demand for a commodity is here price. So first we seen what is meant by variation in demand. When the demand for a commodity falls or rises due to a change in price alone and other factors remain constant, it is called variations in demand. So, when the demand for a particular commodity increases or decreases, falls or rises due to changes in the price only, means here only price will be changes which affect the demand for a particular commodity, increases or decreases in demand, changes in demand, then other factors remain constant. What are the other factors like income, population, etc., government policies, etc. So these factors remain constant, there will be no changes in the other factors. We seen there are number of factors which affects the demand for a particular commodity, but in the variations in demand only price will affect the demand for a particular commodity and other factors remain constant or unchanged, then it is known as variations in demand. Price changes, only price will be changes and other factors remain constant or unchanged. So there are two types of variations in demand. First, expansion of demand. So expansion of demand refers to rise in quantity demanded due to fall in price alone, while other factors like taste, income of the consumer, size of population, etc. remain unchanged. So there are number of factors which affect the demand for a particular commodity. In the expansion of demand, expansion means here demand increases, demand rises, quantity demanded rises when there is a fall in price alone and other factors remain constant or unchanged. So it is known as expansion of demand. So it will be shown in the diagram. So demand moves in downward direction on the same demand curve. So here in the diagram, DD is the demand curve, a downward movement on the same demand curve from point A to point B indicates an expansion of demand. So here x axis shows quantity demanded in kgs and y axis shows price in rupees. So P is the actual price, original price, and Q is the original quantity demanded. So when there is a changes in the prices from P to P1, then quantity demanded changes from Q to Q1. It shows that whenever there is a decrease in the prices, falls in the prices of the commodity, then there is a rises in the quantity demanded. So it will be shown in this diagram. Next, contraction of demand. So contraction of demand refers to a fall in demand due to rise in price alone. So here price only affect the demand for a commodity. I told you Variations in demand causes only if the prices changes, rises or falls. So quantity demanded also rises or falls. So other factors like taste, income of the consumer, size of population, etc. remain unchanged or constant. When the price rises, increases, only price rises, then there is a fall in quantity demanded. So demand curve moves in the upward direction on the same demand curve. So it will be shown with the help of diagram. DD is the demand curve and upward movement on the same demand curve from point B to point A shows contraction of demand. So here P is the original price, Q is the original quantity demanded. Whenever price increases from P to P2, then there is a decrease in the quantity demanded from Q to Q2. So contraction of demand means what? Whenever there is a rise in prices, then there is a fall in quantity demanded, which can be shown with the help of this diagram. So next one is changes in demand. So first is what? Variations in demand. Other factors remaining constant or unchanged, and demand for a particular commodity affects only changes in the prices, rise or falls. Second one, changes in demand. When demand for a commodity increases or decreases due to changes in other factors. Other factors means what? Population, taste, preferences, again future expectations, government policies, income, etc. So and price remain constant, it is known as changes in demand. So here price remain unchanged or constant, only other factors will be changed. चेंजेस कुठं होणार आहे? फक्त अदर फॅक्टर्समध्ये, पॉप्युलेशन, इन्कम, टेस्ट एक्सेट्रा. सो इट इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स. First one, increase in demand. So it refers to increase in quantity demanded due to favorable changes in other factors like taste, income of the consumer, climatic condition, etc. and price remain constant. Favorable changes means चांगले काहीतरी चेंज झाले म्हणजे कोणते? इन्कम इन्क्रीज झालेली आहे, अगेन टेस्ट चेंज झालं आहे, क्लायमॅटिक कंडिशन्स फेवरेबल आहेत. सो देर इज अ इंक्रीज इन डिमांड. सो क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड increases due to favorable changes in other factors like taste, income of the consumer, climatic condition, etc. But here price remain unchanged or constant. Price मध्ये काहीच चेंज होणार नाही, ती कॉन्स्टंट राहणार आहे. And demand curve here shifts to the right hand side of the original demand curve. So this can be shown with the help of the diagram. Here DD is the original demand curve. DD is the original demand curve and D1 is the increase, which shows increase in demand. Demand curve shifts outward to the right from DD to D1, which indicates increase in demand. From A to B, there is a increase in demand. So P is the price which remain constant here. And due to changes in other factors like income, taste, quantity demanded increases from Q to Q1. Second one, decrease in demand. Here also price remain constant and due to change in other factors there is a decrease in demand. Quantity demanded क्या असणार आहे? स्मॉलर असणार आहे. For example, income decreases, again population decreases, etc. So it refers to decrease in quantity demanded due to unfavorable changes in other factors like taste, income of the consumer, climatic conditions, etc. Unfavorable means what? Decrease in income level, again unfavorable climatic conditions, so there is a low production, etc. and price remain unchanged or constant. प्राइस इथे चेंज होणार नाही आहे बिलकुल. काय होणार आहे चेंज? फक्त अदर फॅक्टर्स. सो डिमांड कर्व शिफ्ट्स टू लेफ्ट हँड साइड ऑफ द ओरिजिनल डिमांड कर्व which can be shown with the help of the diagram. So DD is the original demand curve and D2 is the changes in demand. So here P is the price. P is the price remain constant or unchanged, and due to unfavorable changes in other factors, quantity demanded shift from Q to Q2. Q वरून कुठे गेलेली आहे ती? Q2 वरती, विच लेफ्ट साइड ॲरो जो आहे तो काय दाखवतो? डिक्रीज फ्रॉम A to B. So when there is a changes or unfavorable changes in other factors which shifts DD to DD, D to D2. D2 काय आहे? तो चेंजेस इन डिमांड आहे आणि DD हा काय आहे? ओरिजिनल डिमांड कर्व आहे. सो टुडे वी स्टडीड व्हेरिएशन्स इन डिमांड अँड चेंजेस इन डिमांड. In the next lecture, we study next chapter, that is 3B, elasticity of demand. Till then, thank you.